I'm supposed to be out here cutting the grass or doing anything. And so what did I do? I went and bought a new motorcycle. Yes, I did. Obama's going to cut my Social Security. He finds out I'm blowing my money buying motorcycles. It's a pretty good looking bike. 2013 250 CRF 250L Honda. Going to have to come up with a name for this. I don't think we can call this one the Mighty Yamaha. I thought I'd better take a picture now because it'll probably never, ever in its whole lifetime ever be as clean as it is now. So I can take a picture here and remember what it looked like. My first fuel-injected dirt bike. My first dirt bike, it's got a gas gauge on it. What about that? And a clock. Boy, all built right in there. And it's my second bike. Dirt bike's got a radiator. 81 YZ250. It had a radiator sit right up here where the headlight is. Long, long ago. Anyway, it's a pretty thing. Quiet too. Got lights, everything. Tommy Kirk's Cycle, Dalton, Georgia. Today's date 5/29/13.